Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and that you are staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we're going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures in the book to help you with a word, and your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in a word and you go back and say it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Muscle. Us, all. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Muscle. Us, all. Well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called What's Inside Me. Girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. What's inside me? On the outside, everyone looks different. Some people have dark hair, some people have fair hair, some people are tall, some people are short. But inside everybody's body works in much the same way. We all breathe, move and think. We all have the same organs and tissues to help us do these things. Lungs. Inside your chest are two stretchy lungs that help you breathe. They stretch out when you breathe in, they shrink back when you breathe out. Did you know that your right lung is bigger than your left lung? When you breathe in, your lungs collect oxygen gas from the air. When you breathe out, they push gas out of your body. This gas is called carbon dioxide. Blood. Arteries carry blood away from your heart to your body. Veins carry blood from your body back to your heart. Blood carries the oxygen your body needs. Your blood travels all around the body in tubes of different sizes. The tubes that carry blood and oxygen are called arteries. The tubes that carry blood and carbon dioxide are called veins. Did you know your veins and arteries are so long they would go round the world twice? Heart. Your heart is a muscle. It forces blood around your body. It makes a beating sound as it squeezes in tightly, then swells back out to its normal size. This squeezing and swelling pulls and pushes blood through the veins and arteries. Did you know that your heart is strong enough to squirt blood easily from one side of the classroom to the other? This machine measures how well your heart is pushing the blood around your body. It takes about 1 minute for blood to travel around your body and back to your heart. An adult's heartbeat beats between 60 and 70 times a minute. A child's heartbeat beats much faster than an adult's. If you eat lots of fatty food, it can block your heart's arteries. When the arteries from the heart become blocked, the heart cannot pump blood around as well as usual. Muscles. Your heart is an important muscle, but there are over 600 other muscles in your body. Some are tiny, like the muscles inside your ears. Some are large, like the muscles that make your thighs move. Muscles need oxygen and sugar to help them work well. Blood carries this fuel to the muscles. The more exercise, the more fuel your muscles need. That is why your heart beats faster when you exercise. It is carrying more blood to your muscles. Did you know that the tongue is the strongest muscle in the body for its size? Some muscles, like your heart, move even when you are asleep. Other muscles, such as arm muscles, move only when you want to make them work. Did you know that you exercise at least 17 muscles when you smile? Brain. Your brain is a soft and jelly-like and contains lots of cells. It is protected by your hard skull. An adult's brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms. Did you know that the brain gets lighter as you get older because cells die and are not replaced? All day and all night your brain sends messages to your body, telling it how to work. It helps you think, speak, move, feel, hear, and see. Did you know that 80% of the brain is water? Brain messages travel down your spine along nerves. Different parts of your body send messages back to your brain in the same way. Everyone's body works in the same way. Everyone needs to look after their body to keep it working well. Take care of your body. Exercise. Ride your bike or your skateboard. Go to a dance class. Walk with your family or friends, or play at the park. Rest. Go to bed early whenever you can. Do not have too many late nights. Eat well. Eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. Don't eat sweets and junk food very often. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl we have the play button where they will read it to you. Now that you have finished reading your book, you should be on to your Kahoot quiz. Your Kahoot pin for this first quiz is 01359640. This is what your quiz will look like. To join the game, you enter your name, click OK Go. Once you have completed your quiz, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!